Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal healing benefits of incorporating Iolite, the stone of intuition, into our daily lives. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal healing benefits of Iolite. Now, Iolite is a blue-purple gemstone. It's really the only true indigo gemstone out there. And this piece that I'm holding is on the darker side, and so it kind of looks black on the camera, but it can be very light and obviously on the bluer side, and then it could be this deep color as well. There are tumbling qualities like this, and there are also faceted stone qualities. So for rings and earrings and pendants, there is that quality of Iolite as well. And you can distinguish Iolite from sapphire in that it kind of has a waxy look to it that sapphire doesn't have. But it's a really uniquely colored stone, and you can usually identify it right off the bat just by its purple, blue, indigo nature. And if you are interested in getting some Iolite and working with it some more, then do check at my online crystal healing store where I have Iolite bracelet and gemstone sets, pendants, and also tumbled Iolite gemstones. And the link to that is in the description below. So how can Iolite help you? The stone of intuition. Well, the first benefit of incorporating Iolite into your life is that it awakens intuition. Hey, the stone of intuition. And so what is intuition? Well, what it is really is our inner voice, our inner gut feeling that kind of gives us information throughout the day. It's really nothing magical. It is our inner wisdom. And so it's that thing that, when you look at a person and you're like, I don't know if I trust that person, that's your intuition. And if you're trying to make a decision about something and you're really leaning towards one over the other, then that's another way that intuition manifests. It's our inner voice and the information that comes from within that we already know. And awakening intuition means that we have a greater ability of letting that inner wisdom bubble up to our conscious and to be aware of that. And Iolite helps strengthen our connection with intuition, with our inner wisdom, as it is associated with the third eye, which is a chakra that has domain over our intuition. And so this is a great stone for, those who feel kind of disconnected from their gut feeling. And also for those who are trying to awaken and strengthen intuitive-based skills like tarot reading, divination, mediums, channelers, like all those that have a deep connection to the information within. So the second benefit of incorporating Iolite into your life is dream work and journeying. And this is a more specific expansion on the intuition, and Iolite really helps with dream recall So if you're one that's wanting to journal, record your dreams and analyze them, then this helps you remember those dreams in the morning. Because there are a lot of people out there that believe that they dream, it's just when they wake up it kind of fizzles away and they don't remember it anymore. Well, Iolite will help you remember so that you can write it down and really receive those messages from your dream self. It also helps to strengthen lucid dreaming or dream journeying, where you give yourself a destination, someplace that you want to visit, and in your dream state, you go there. So Iolite strengthens all of those abilities. It also helps you kind of detach from your body if you want to do astral traveling, journeying, vision quests. It helps those that feel kind of anchored by their body. The third benefit of Iolite is acceptance. Now, this is a stone that helps you accept the current situation as it is without struggling with how you wish it could be. And, if we're currently under self-quarantine and lockdown by the time this video posts, then that might be something that you're struggling with still. And when we talk about acceptance, it doesn't mean that it makes us feel like everything is okay, but it does help us determine between that which we can improve in our lives and that which we cannot control, and we really just have to stop struggling to change it. So it helps us, like that phrase of, let me determine, grant me the wisdom to determine what I can't change, the patience for what I cannot. That's kind of the essence and energy of Iolite. So, and expanding on the intuition aspect of Iolite, it also helps us make decisions when we feel like we're stuck in an unpleasant situation and we want to know how best to handle it. Then Iolite helps us make those decisions about how we can progress in there. It helps us access our inner wisdom, and it helps us make wise decisions about what we need to do in our lives if we feel like we're stuck in a situation we can't change. And then the fourth benefit of Iolite is that it reduces discord in our life. So it reduces anxiety and stress and frustration and jealousy and all of those emotions that cause disharmony in our lives. It helps us release things in our life that are also causing discord and disharmony, like, rigid belief systems, mindsets that are holding us back, people that are holding us back, that are causing conflict and not contributing to our spiritual progression in our lives. It helps us recognize those. And when it comes to, unhealthy or rigid beliefs that are causing roadblocks, like, those are really hard to recognize within ourselves. It truly is. And Iolite is a stone that helps us realize that in a gentle way and figure out what we can do with that. This is a stone that helps us release anything that is blocking our path to our spiritual progression and our highest good. So Iolite is a really unique stone that's deeply in tune with our third eye chakra and our inner and spiritual development. It really wants to help us move us along in our path, advance our spiritual development, and really help bring us to a state of enlightenment. So thank you for joining me today as we talk about Iolite. And if you find that Iolite is a stone that you'd like to work with more, then in 2 days on Saturday, I will be posting a guided meditation with Iolite. And you don't need a gemstone to benefit from the guided meditation. You can picture it in your mind. But if anything that I've talked about during this video today, or if any of the prompts in the guided meditation really speak to you, call to you, or raise red flags, then that's a sign that you should get some Iolite and work with it some more. For those who are new to the channel, I discuss a new gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post these informational videos about the supportive benefits of a gemstone. And on Saturdays, I post the guided meditation designed specifically for that gemstone. And then I also offer a lot of gemstones through my online crystal healing store to help you with your practice. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so that you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you during the guided meditation.